Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to be doing my favorite video to make of all time. Unboxing my birthday gift. So yung shoes na gustong-gusto ko talaga dati is the Chanel Espadrilles. Yung classic nila. But one of my friends has it and I tried it on, but it just didn't suit me well. I don't know why. I really love that shoe, but it doesn't love me back, so I bought a different one. Actually, I didn't know if I should buy it or not, but I decided that I will get it still. This is their loafer, one of their loafers. Like that. Gucci calls this one as their Gucci Jordan GG Canvas loafers. It retails for $935. Product details, I'll just read it out from their website. It says, the Gucci Jordan loafer is a key silhouette that spans across seasons. A classic shape in original GG canvas. It's beige or brick red original GG canvas, leather trim, women's leather sole, horse bead detail, and I really like that detail over there. I really like its finish, and it's on a 10mm heel, and I got the size 37. So nung una, hirap na hirap akong i-decide if I should go a 37.5 or a 37. Itong shoes na to, super sakto lang siya sa paa ko. That's why I was so hesitant to get it. But then the person from the store said that they are leather and eventually they will, you know, luluwang. So I got the 37 instead of the 37.5. And when I saw these shoes, it's like, it's a match made in heaven. I super love it. I have been looking for this for a while. One of my friends, Rio, went to London recently for a holiday, and I've been asking her to buy me some of these, but wala siya sa store nila. And so I was super surprised when I saw it in Australia, Chadstone Gucci, and so I immediately grabbed my size, tried it on. I'll show you guys how it looks like with your daily outfit, and I will show you how versatile it is, how easy it is to pair with a lot of your clothes, even though if you want to go, you know, like an everyday look, if you want to use it for your office or for your work drinks or wherever you want it, I will show you how to wear it.